friends. Once again, I am in front of you, and I have brought a very interesting video. And this is a unique video because, as you know, I'm Nawfal Safan, and as usually, I will going to request you that please subscribe my channel. Okay, now starting our presentation. This is a very unique presentation because it is about my academy, Sun Office Academy. And this academy, as you know, that I'm Mohammad Nawfal Safan, and I am belongs to Sun Office Academy, and Sir Samad and Sir Ukasha are the two teachers who associated with the Sun Office Academy as a teacher, and I'm very much thankful to them. Here you can see that how Sir Samad is teaching in our academy. This is the view of teaching way of Sir Samad in the class, and here you can see since last 4 years I have been professionally teaching in several schools and colleges, including O-level teaching, and including I just want to tell you that I started my career in sales and administration, and I had been working in different pharmaceuticals during 1994 to 2006. I have done my 3 masters in 3 different subjects, alhamdulillah. First was in economics. It was around 2001 or 2002, and then I have done my second master in Muslim history. It was in 2015, and the third is very recent, MSc in Pakistan studies. Today I want to share my story of the beginning of Sir Nawfal's Academy, how it was started. Results, first of all, I just want to share some results, and results are amazing. Even I was not expecting when I started this academy that the results will going to come in this way. Some names I want to mention here. As you can see, Mr. Qasim serving in military department as a clerk, and he was selected through Sir Nawfal's Academy. And Mr. Kalim, he was also the part of Sir Nawfal's Academy, serving in the motorway department of Government of Pakistan. Then Mr. Jamshed, he is one of my best students, and he has become a politician, and I noted down that he is going to do something extraordinary in future. It is my expectations. Then on the other hand, Mr. Furqan has been appointed in High Court in Sakkar. He is posted in Sakkar nowadays. Mr. Ukasha working in WAPDA subsidiary department is the same way. Mr. Uzair, he was a brilliant student. Nowadays he is working in Agricultural University Tandojam on BPS 16. On the other hand, Mr. Fahad recently has been selected in Hyderabad Court as lower divisional clerk. Mr. Adil, he has been recently selected as a ASI police, Sin Police, and same manner Mr. Shahriar has been selected as a ASI police in recent days, I believe in March 2020 around something. 4 students also selected in Sin Police department delivered their interviews. All procedure has been finalized, but due to the coronavirus, you know, the final result has been withheld. Let's see, hope for the better. Mr. Haider, Mr. Ukasha, Tamur, and Mr. Khurram, these are the 4 students who are waiting, and very soon you are going to see that the positive results from the academy. Mr. Let's see now that how Sun Office Academy started. It was started after my return from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in May 2016, but in those days it was not officially performing as an academy, rather than it was a tuition center. Since May 2017, Sun Office Academy is offering preparation for CSS, PCS, and general preparation of government and jobs of different paying classes, BPS, different BPS skills. Extracurricular activities are also very regularly the part of Sun Office Academy. Students and teachers meet in dinners and parties regularly, Tests regularly conducted in St. Nofus Academy, as you can see in this video, that how the test is being conducted in a very disciplinary manner. Students are very much serious about their future. You can see, fortunately in 2018, Sir Arif Alvi Sahab visited my academy. He at that time was not president of Pakistan, but he was MNA in Karachi. He visited my center, and it was a very good fortune for me. In February 2019, Sir Nofus Academy went on a recreational day and visited different places, including Bollywood Mall, Press Club of Oxford University Press, and restaurant of all lunch. These are the few pictures you can see, very memorable pictures. Here you can see some more pictures. In February 2020, once again, Sir Nofus Academy, after 1 year, same day, I believe it was February 17th February or 2020, and same day was 1 year back, 17 February 2019. So both years we went to the some sort of picnic. Here you can see the picture where we actually visited the Bollywood Mall again, civil aviation, a Kosar Valley, and restaurant for lunch. Here are some more pictures you can see of that memorable day. Uh, we have also celebrated birthdays of different students in our academy. Here is a picture of Mr. Daniel. He is celebrating his birthday in our academy. We regularly go to the wedding parties. Recently, this is the picture of Sir Arslan's wedding party, and it had been just executed almost 20 days back, before arriving Corona. Okay, so anyway, right now this is a 3 years old academy now. It is not only providing regular preparation classes for different government jobs, but also providing separate preparation, listen to me, separate preparation for classes of CSET and PCS. Believe me, this is the best platform for you. Join St. Nofus Academy. You will get a very good preparation for specific optional papers, as well as compulsory papers for the CSETs and PCS preparations. Now online classes through YouTube have also been launched. As you have been watching my YouTube channel, I would have never been accomplished without my students who love me and encourage me. Even they guide me that how should I work, because my students are not the KG nursery kids. They are fully mature Pakistani citizens, mostly working in a different departments. Sometimes they are working in public sectors, and sometimes they are working in private sectors, but they are also continuing their studies. So they advised and have also been welcomed by me. So this is my story. I remember that it was the encouragement of students when I started my own academy. In other words, Sir Nofus Academy. Believe me, this was the motivation of my senior students, that sir, please go ahead and launch your own academy. And that is how I started this academy. It is now over. Still, best is yet to be come. And thank you very much. This is me, and this is a video clip of past years class which I had been conducted in some months back. So this is all about me. If you like this channel, this video, please like, and please press the bell icon. Thank you very much.